afternoon. Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Supreme Court to hear Goa mining matter from Tuesday. Legal experts in Goa hopeful of earliest resumption of mining. CLP issues charge sheet against Parrikar-led government. CLP points out government's failure in regional plan, law and order, garbage and casinos. Onion price hike stings Goans again. Onion at 70 rupees per kilo in market, around 15 rupees less in horticulture. Inflation rate goes up to 6.1% in August. National Investigation Agency brings dreaded terrorist Yasin Bhatkar to Goa to check his antecedent. Doubts that he tried to recruit Goans in Indian Mujahideen. CM visits sunburn venue without Tourism Minister, takes Kalangut MLA along with him. Tourism Minister expresses his stiff opposition to sunburn in Kandoli. And Norman Fernandez confesses to killing his own sister and her mother-in-law. Police recovers crime weapon from Karanzale in Santa Cruz double murder case. Now news in detail. Legal experts are hopeful of early resumption of mining following rise in current account deficit of the country. Environment, legal and other factors may be overlooked during the verdict due to economic issues. Supreme Court will hear Goa mining matter consecutively from Tuesday. Stakeholders, NGOs and other parties have landed in Delhi for the hearing.
Goa mining matter will be heard on Tuesday in the Supreme Court. Justice A.K. Patnaik, Justice Surendra Singh Nijar, Justice Fakir Mohammad Ibrahim Khalifullah will head the green bench for the hearing. State and union government are trying hard for earliest resumption of mining in Goa. Legal expert Advocate Cleophas Coutinho feels that the hearing may lead to some positive outcome for mining industry in Goa.
I believe there is a lot of hope due to the current account deficit of the country. The falling rupee has contributed to that hope in a big way. According to me, the Central Commerce Ministry, Central Industry Ministry, the Central Finance Ministry shall play a crucial role in the matter. I believe that the central government shall make a number of concessions in the matter so that iron ore mining starts in the state of Goa.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
State Congress has created a charge sheet against Parrikar-led government. Opposition has blamed the BJP government for failing on introducing a law banning entry of Goans on casinos. Senior Rani dared CM to scrap casinos as Parrikar government is now in power. He said that law and order has collapsed. Regional plan issue is pending. Garbage disposal problem is piling up and solutions are not in sight.
Now, it's a long time that regional plans should have been published, and you see a lot of illegal constructions are coming. People are going haywire, building, and that's giving rise to corruption. Second thing is law and order. But there, this time, the law and order is that housebreaking, thefts, chain snatching. So we have to activate the government. And garbage is another problem, which is hurting us all because we are a touristic state. We want to highlight the problems of Goa and that government should catch.
We discussed that we only brought in the casino. At least the first casino, or not the first, but at least the 2 casinos were given by us. But we had a simple argument saying that he even cancelled our jobs which were given. So where is the question of we bringing in? The question of he decides. He's at present the Chief Minister. It's he who has to decide whether to have it or not, casinos. The Chief Minister, in fact, said that he would disallow Goans, or rather he would bring in a bill to disallow Goans from gambling in the casinos. At least to some extent that even a particular age up to 21. But nothing has been done in this present government, and the social fabric is been threatened by Goans gambling there. And we call upon the government. We have resolved that the government take appropriate steps to see that introspect and see what the people exactly want.
The hike in onion prices has yet again made the go-on food pricey. Onion costs 70 rupees per kilo in the local market, whereas at horticulture it is cheaper by 10 to 15 rupees. Costlier onion and other vegetables has now pushed up inflation to 6.1% in August. Sneha Sabnis reports.
सखी सैया तो खूब ही कमात हैं महंगाई डायन खाया जात है
एका तेंपार 30 ते 40 रुपयान मेळपी कानो आता सध्या सगळ्यांच्या दोळ्यांतल्यान दुका काडूंक लागला. आयज आमी या पणजे बाजारान आनी पळोवया कान्याची रेट सध्या कितली आसा ती. कान्याची रेट कितली आसा?
65 रुपीस किलो. 65 रुपीस किलो. आता पावस पडटा म्हणून सगळे म्हारग जाल्ले.
गिरायक कशे कितें आसा?
गिरायक इतले चड ना. 2 किलो घेता ते 1 किलो घेता. 1 किलो घेता ते अर्ध किलो घेता.
कान्याची सध्या 65 to 70 आसा. कांयच अनएक्सपेक्टेड नवो माल कुसलो म्हणटात ते सगळे थंयसर. आनी चवथीक लागून मातशें इफेक्ट जातलो. आतां पळोवपाक जाय कितें जाता तें नॅक्स्ट मार्केट. ना कांय ना 30%. हय कांयच ना विचारता आनी वयतात.
खपता इतले खपना पयलीं भशेन. कित्याक म्हणून आतां होलसेल घातला न्हू गव्हर्मेंटाच्या शॉपार चालू आसा तेका लागून.
कानो आता रेट एकदम 10 रुपयांनी वाडल्या. तुमकां परवडटा ते?
परवडटा म्हणजे आमकां हॉटेलाक लागून घेवचोच पडटा न्हू. नाल्यार हॉटेल बंद करतले 10 रुपया वाडला म्हणून कितें बंद करतले आमी ना न्ही.
पणजे बाजारान आमी भोंवन पयले तेन्ना कान्याची रेट 60, 65 वा 70 आसा. आतां आमी ह्या हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या गाड्याचेर आनी पळोवया थंय कितली रेट आसा ती. आमी आसा पणजे बाजारान हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या शॉपान. हांगा पळयात कितली गर्दी पडल्या ती. बाजारान पळयत जाल्यार कोणूच दिसनासलो काने घेवपाक. हांगा गर्दी पडल्या कित्याक हांगा 53 रुपयान कानो मेळटा. ऑलमोस्ट 15 ते 20 रुपयाचो फरक आसा कान्या बाजारांतल्या रेटीन आनी हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या रेटीन.
सध्या हॉर्टिकल्चरान 53 आहा आयज.
काल कितली आसली?
काल 59 आसली. आयज मातशी कमी रेट इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन बेलगाम रेट. थंयच्यान जशी आमकां रेट मेळटा तशी आमी हांगा हे करता.
ती वाडले म्हणून लोक मातसो बेजार जाल्लो. आयज मातसो खुशी आसतलो कित्याक 100 रुपया देंवले न्हू.
बाजारान तुमी घेतात काय हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या गाडयेचेर?
हॉर्टिकल्चर.
कित्याक म्हणून?
ते मातशें सवाय आहा आनी बरें क्वॉलिटी बी बरी आहा. वायट क्वॉलिटी बरी आहा. 60-70 आहाली. आनी हिंगा सरांस एवरेज 50 रुपीज आहाली सरांस.
इन्फ्लेशन पळयत जाल्यार जुलय म्हयन्या परस ऑगस्टान इन्फ्लेशन वाडला. कांद्या वांगडा हेर भाज्यांचोय दर वाडत आसा. पूण सध्या आतां कांद्याचो दर 10 ते 15 रुपयान वाडला. तातूंत हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या गाड्याचेर लोकांक सवाय दरान कांदो मेळटा. कितेंय जावं लोकांक कांदो घेवचोच पडटा. लोकां मुखार पर्याय ना. देवेंद्र गांवकारा वांगडा हांव स्नेहा सबनीस, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
National Investigating Agency has brought terrorist Yasin Bhatkar to Goa to investigate his past links in the state. It is believed that Yasin used to visit Goa and NIA is now investigating whether he had built any network here. NIA team is also investigating his presence in Vasco in 2009 ahead of the Pune German bakery blast in February 2010. It is suspected that he had tried to recruit local people. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.